Hi, I'm John McCoy, CEO of Orthman Manufacturing. The agriculture division for Orthman is the foundation of our business dating back to 1965, with three important principles: quality, innovation, and integrity, making the farming practice easier and more efficient to meet our producers' needs. At Orthman, we come together across markets and departments to meet customer and employee needs, grow global market share, and create enterprise-wide success. We truly get to know our customers and employees as we take a long-term, innovative approach to helping achieve goals by providing solutions that represent the best in us. In 2016, at the bottom of our current ag cycle, Orthman moved into a new 115,000 square foot facility totally dedicated to efficiency and manufacturing innovation and furthering our commitment to this industry. We continue to take a long-term view of the industry we serve and are better prepared to meet the needs of both our customers and employees. Thank you for your time and your business. We will continue to provide commitment to our customers that the Orthman family's ideals and traditions instilled in us decades ago. We persist as a family-owned business, and we embrace the enduring challenge of keeping the industry that feeds us efficient. Now let's get to work.